Then the next endocrine gland is the parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands, these are the 4 glands which are present. The location of the parathyroid glands are, these are present on the posterior side of the thyroid gland. The hormone which is released by the parathyroid glands, means these 4 glands releases the hormone which is known as the parathormone. The function of the parathormone increases the level of calcium ions in blood. We see that in calcitonin, calcium ions, the function of the calcitonin is to balance the calcium ions in the blood, so that parathormone and the calcitonin can be complement to each other, so that these are both are the responsible for the regulation of the calcium ions in the blood. So that in here we see that when the production increases, means when the parathormone produces in a great amount, in a higher amount than the normal amount, so that more calcium salts absorbed from the bones and added to the blood, so that the bones becomes brittle, means the calcium ions from the bones moves towards the blood, so that the bones become the weaker due to the higher production of the parathormone. So that, but the deficiency of the parathormone, blood calcium levels falls and lead to the tetany, and this effect is also responsible and effects for the functioning of the muscles. Tetany, this is a disease of the bones. Basically it is happening during the between the children, so this is the important disease. And parathyroid gland, these are the gland present posterior of the thyroid gland. The parathormone releases by the parathyroid gland, and the higher production is also harmful and the low production is also harmful. At the higher production, the bones become the brittle, but due to the deficiency of the parathormone hormone, the condition which comes as known as the tetany. So this is all about the parathyroid glands. Students, see your book thyroid gland. See this box. Our government encourages salt refineries to add the iodine in salt. It also encourages people to choose this iodized salt. It's mean due to the importance of the iodine, our government is also responsible, or also say to the refineries to add the iodine in the salt, so that due to this iodine, the thyroxine production must be the balance. And then the parathyroid gland. Here see this blue box. Calcitonin and parathormone are the complements to each other and regulate the level of the calcium ions in the blood. This point we discussed earlier. So tetany is marked by the, here this is all about the tetany. Tetany is marked by the sharp flexion. What is flexion? जुड़ा हुआ हिस्सा, मतलब कोई bone के साथ wrist या ankle joints, and muscles twitching means sudden the movement. So cramps and the convulsions. This is all about the tetany. These are the symptoms of the tetany. It is due to the decrease the blood calcium level, which makes the nerves and the muscles more excitable. This is all about the tetany. Thank you class. It's all about the parathyroid glands.